In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make £2,000 a month from your online coaching business. And by the way, this applies to anyone, whether or not you're an in-person personal trainer right now, or maybe you just decided that you want to start helping people with fitness and you'd like to make an extra £2,000 a month. This is essentially the roadmap from zero, somebody that's earning zero right now as an online coach, to £2,000 a month. How to have your first £2,000 a month. So let's dive in. So I'm a numbers guy. If you're a numbers guy or a numbers girl, then we'd work well together inside my program. And this whole video is going to be based on numbers. So let's break this down. As a coach, even at the very beginning when you first get started, you should be charging at least £500 for a 12-week online fitness program. And there'll be a lot of limiting beliefs here. Oh, I've just started. I'm brand new. Doesn't matter. I want to remind you, there's people out there that are charging £5,000 for a 12-week online fitness program. Okay, so you can completely change the course of someone's life in 12 weeks or less for £500. So let's say that you're selling at $499 for 12 weeks, or at least that's what I get the guys and girls to do inside FBC when they start with me. And we've got people absolutely brand spanking new selling at that kind of rate. So if you want to make £2,000 at $499 a program, that's 4 sales. If you make 4 sales in 1 month, that's your £2,000 month. But let's break down the numbers a little bit further. So when we look into this, we got to look at, okay, how many calls do I need to get in order to hit those kind of numbers? So typically when you're beginning, your conversion rate on the phone is usually going to be around 50%, or that's at least where I would like it to be when you're starting out. So if we do the maths, we would need 8 sales calls. And if you converted at 50%, that would be your 4 sales. That would be your £2,000. Okay, so Dan, how do I get 8 sales calls? Like, where do I go for this? So what I would like you doing as a standard, if right now you're kind of sitting around zero, £500, £1,000, you want to get to your first 2K month, I want you to focus every night before you go to sleep on this one sole focus. And that's, I am not going to go to sleep tonight until I book 1 phone call. If you're brand new to this, what you could do is you can look at your friends and family, Facebook friends, your old school friends. If you work a 9 to 5 right now, we've got people selling £500 programs to their colleagues, literally to their colleagues. People that are working 9 to 5 selling to their colleagues, or even better, if you are a personal trainer in the gym right now, you might even have a few in-person clients that you could sell into your online program. So if you're booking 1 call a day, so that's 1 call per day, that is you averaging around 5 calls a week. That's the kind of standard that I kind of ask of my guys when they come inside the program. So 1 call a day, okay, 5 calls a week. Even if your conversion rate was trash, let's say it was 20%, even if like you're just starting out and it was 20%, and you only had to sell 1 person, 1 500 program to 1 person, and you could get on 5 calls, you could flop 4 of them and just sell 1 person, and that would be your £500 week. You do that over the course of 4 weeks, 1 sale a week, that's your £2,000 month, okay? And I know, again, what you're thinking is, if only it was that easy, Dan. Or maybe more importantly, you're thinking, where am I going to find these people? So where you're going to find these people is through lead generation. And typically in the beginning, you're going to have something called your power base, or that's at least what I refer to it as. Make a list after watching this video of 50 to 100 people that you know, respectfully, they're either fat and out of shape, unhappy, or could be fitter, stronger, or leaner, or could be better off if they spent 12 weeks with you. I guarantee when you start to open up your mindset and allow yourself to see this as an opportunity, you'll be like, oh my God, John, the guy that cuts my hair, he's always talking about losing weight. Oh, Amy, the girl I used to go to school with, she was always struggling with her weight. I wonder how she's doing. Make contact with these people and just make it your sole focus going forwards to book 1 call a day. Don't go to sleep until it's done. If you can convert at 50% or higher, you're absolutely going to smash it. Okay. But even when you're working up to that, you sell at 20%. And if you have like a decent DM script to book people in and then a decent sales script to get people online, you're not going to struggle here. And that's it. And that's your roadmap from 0 to 2K. Here's the best and final thing I'll say before we run out of time. I want you to focus on getting to your first 2K month and then looking at growing aggressively from 2 to 5K and bridging that gap. So just get to 2K a month, follow this process, make sure to hit subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions or any future videos you want me to do, make sure to comment them below and I'd love to film them for you.